Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and it's today's free Facebook marketing training. I got a bunch of different resources to share with you. Now, this blog post comes from Socialnator. If you're familiar with any of the automation softwares, the popular ones at least, Socialnator is among the top, I believe, top 10, but I don't feel personally that it compares that well to Mass Planner, or I keep calling it that, but it's Sue Social now. But they do have some helpful content on their blog, and I wanted to share with you some resources to help complement that content. So in this video, we're talking about the best Facebook content marketing strategy, and I actually have some videos that I wanted to leave in the description. This one's called How to Plan, Organize, and Schedule Content as a Creator for Businesses. This is the daily action plan for internet marketers, the step-by-step guide. I go through this process that I still use to this day in this video. And as you can see, I'm using an automation software at that time called Mass Planner 2, which was giving me a lot of traffic. And this helps me this is my preferred automation software over Social. But yeah, definitely check this one out. It's a daily action plan for internet marketers. And then I got another one called How to Strategically Plan Ads with Meta's Business Suite. I'll have that in the description. Before we get started, I just want to share what's at the bottom here. It says, keep it visual. Prioritize visual content in your Facebook content strategy to captivate your audience. So I have two videos that I want to share with you in that regard. This one actually is called How to Transform Text and Images into Videos. And you can also turn text into images, which I'm pretty sure we all know how to do at this point with Meta AI or Imagine. And then actually I think it's pronounced Imagen 3 by Google. But I use their text to image software, Image FX. And then you got Canva's got free AI image generator, online text to image app. So these are the copywriting tutorials right here that's going to help you to create better content. So let's go ahead and get started at the very top. I want to try to keep this video as short as I can. Facebook remains a powerhouse platform for businesses and brands to connect with their audience. However, with the digital landscape constantly changing, it's super important to adapt and refine our strategies to stay ahead. Facebook content strategy plays a pivotal role in capturing the attention and interest of users scrolling through their feeds. From captivating visuals to compelling captions, every element of your content contributes to shaping your brand's identity and engaging your audience. And this, I forgot to mention, compelling captions. This entire playlist right here is specifically focused on creating compelling, captivating, persuasive headlines, body copy, etc. In this blog, we'll delve into the complexities of crafting the best content marketing strategy for 2024. I feel like this is AI because I don't know anyone who uses this other than AI. Delve. As soon as I see that, I'm like, okay, this might have been AI generated. No worries though. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, understanding the latest trends and techniques can make all the difference in achieving your goals on this dynamic platform. So I have this in the description. You want to listen to their blog here. It's basically, they're probably just a worded version. Why a content strategy is crucial for Facebook success. Crafting a robust content strategy is vital for achieving success on Facebook and meeting your business objectives. It offers several benefits: ensuring brand consistency. A solid content strategy maintains consistent messaging across your Facebook content, reinforcing your brand identity and values. Targeting the right audience. By having a content strategy in place, your business can customize Facebook content to suit the intended audience, ensuring relevance and impact. Driving engagement. With the content strategy, your brand can pre-plan engaging and impactful content to stimulate audience interaction. Optimizing content. A well-defined content strategy allows for analysis of past performance, identification of trends, and optimization of future content to maximize reach and Facebook engagement. Tracking results. A content strategy helps set clear objectives and key performance indicators for monitoring Facebook content performance, providing data to facilitate informed decisions and enhancements. So how do you create a winning content strategy? Crafting a successful Facebook content strategy involves several key steps that can help you effectively engage your audience and achieve your business goals. So here's how to do it. Number one, research your audience and content strategy. Before I get into this, there's also another video that I want to share with you. It's called How to Use Meta's Business Suite as well as Google for Audience Insights. So I'm just going, if you go to my channel, just type in audience, you'll see it right here. How to use Google and Facebook Audience Insight tools to discover and analyze your target audience. So, and then also I have how to craft audience specific tailored copy using the O formula. So yeah, be sure to check this out. I have this in the description as well. It's basically on just how to, analyze and identify your target audience. Before you start posting on Facebook, it's important to do some research. Look at your past posts to see what worked well and what didn't. Check out what your competitors are doing too. This research will aid in developing a more effective social media content plan for your business. enabling you to better strategize and create impactful content. Determine your Facebook content style. Facebook is a place where your brand's personality shines. Decide what kind of personality you want your brand to have. If you already have a personality, make sure it's clear to whoever creates your content. And if not, take some time to figure out what personality will connect best with your audience. Establish goals. Set clear and realistic goals for your Facebook page. These goals should be things you can measure, like how many people see your posts or how many people visit your website on Facebook. It takes time to grow your page, so be patient. And then choose KPIs, in other words, key performance indicators, to track your progress. Once you have goals as well as your KPIs, these are specific things you'll keep an eye on to see how well your Facebook content strategy is working. Things like how many people like, comment, or share your posts, or click on the link and actually buy something from you. Outline your buyer's journey. Understand how people make decisions when they see your content. The buyer's journey is the process someone goes through from realizing they have a problem to deciding to buy something. Make content that guides them along this journey and builds trust with your audience. Another video that I want to share with you in that regard is actually in my copywriting tutorial playlist. I believe it's one of the videos I made recently, so it might be at the very bottom, but this actually helps for you to create content that goes through the several stages of someone in your audience. So let me see something real quick. So that same one, how to craft audience specific tailored copy using the O formula, reader focused methodology. Basically, it goes through the different stages. So let me try to quick in here. It goes through the different stages of a buyer. So, they start off as oblivious, or they could be in a state where they're apathetic, or they're actually thinking. They're looking for teeth whitening or how to remove crabgrass. Someone who's apathetic, they're only, typing something like, do I need to get rid of crabgrass? And someone who's actually hurting, when they go to the search engine, they type in white teeth guarantee, or why can't I kill my crabgrass? Stuff like that. So that'll help in outlining your buyer's journey and creating content that's specifically focused and tailored to their stage. Carve out a place for your content. Know who else is trying to reach your audience and how you can stand out. Look for gaps in the content your audience is already getting and see if you can fill in those gaps with content. Create a content calendar specific to Facebook. Plan out what you'll post on Facebook and when. Make a list of ideas for posts and decide how often you'll post. This could be weekly, monthly, or even less often. Fill your calendar with things like holiday posts, tutorials, and customer testimonials. Additionally, the support of a social media automation tool like Socialnator or Sue Social can significantly streamline your efforts. Socialnator offers features such as scheduling posts in advance and ensuring timely delivery of content even when you're busy. Leveraging these capabilities, you can effectively plan, organize, and execute your social media content strategy with confidence. So creating your content. Once you have a plan, it's time to make the content. Gather your images, videos, and text ahead of time. This makes it easier to post regularly and stay consistent with your messaging. To make this process more easier, you can take the help of Facebook automation tool like Socialnator. With these automation tools, you can schedule posts across multiple platforms, analyze performance metrics, and engage with your audience more efficiently. By using Socialnator and tools like it into your workflow, you can save time and maximize the impact of your Facebook content strategy. Again, I don't personally believe that Socialnator is the best choice when it comes to automation tools. It's like, because Sue Social, I feel, is just miles ahead. And it has issues, and I don't want to get into like all the pros and cons, but I ended up ultimately deciding after testing it out that there's really nothing that compares to Sue Social. By following these steps, you can develop a Facebook content strategy that effectively engages your audience and helps you achieve your business goals. Using Socialnator can further streamline your content management process, allowing you to schedule posts, track performance, and interact with your audience more efficiently, ultimately leading to better outcomes for your business. So, and then I get into like the features and benefits of Socialnator: activity statistical reports, automated friend requests, auto likes and comments, auto page likes, scheduled posts, and RSS automation, auto post sharing, automated event wishes, message broadcasting, auto messages, replies. All of this stuff you can have with Sue Social at a much better price. Facebook marketing software. Socialnator empowers you to optimize your Facebook management strategy, allowing you to save time, increase engagement, and achieve your social media goals with ease. By seamlessly integrating with your Facebook content strategy, Socialnator enhances your ability to automate key tasks. Pretty much any automation software that does this can help you to analyze performance, maintain a consistent and impactful online presence. So yeah, and this is just basically a sales pitch at this point. So here's the 3 golden rules for Facebook content. Keep it fresh. Continuously update your content to keep it fresh and appealing. Again, I definitely encourage you to check out my playlist on copywriting tutorials. You want fresh, engaging, and appealing content specifically tailored to your audience, you're going to want to check out that playlist. I'll have it in the description too, by the way. Whether it's sharing the latest news, trending topics, avoid repetition by embracing new ideas, trends, and formats. Whether it's sharing the latest news, trending topics, or diverse content like videos, images, or memes. Keeping your feed dynamic ensures your audience remains engaged. By involving with the times, you stay relevant and attract attention amidst the fast-paced social media landscape. Keep it visual, as I was saying earlier. Prioritize visual content in your Facebook content strategy to captivate your audience. And you can use these tools like how to turn text into images, etc. Incorporate eye-catching images and videos into every post to enhance engagement. Visuals have a higher chance of grabbing attention and conveying messages effectively compared to plain text, whether showcasing products, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses, or leveraging infographics. Ensure your content is visually stimulating to stand out in user feeds. Also, a website called swipe.co. You go there and type in your niche, and you'll find people who already have successfully ran tested campaigns in that niche, and you'll see a lot of visuals that you can use as reference when you're creating content for your niche. And again, that's in my copywriting tutorials playlist, but the name of the website, there's like 4 of them. They're all like swipe file type websites. It's called swipe.co. So swipe.co, and I'll have that in the description. That way you can have visuals directly related to your audience. Keep it engaging. Encourage interaction and dialogue with your audience to create a vibrant community as a part of the content strategy on Facebook. Instead of passive updates, prompt discussions by posing questions or applying user-generated content. Responding to comments and messages promptly demonstrates your commitment to fostering meaningful connections. By transforming your page into an interactive hub, you cultivate a loyal following and enhance the overall user experience, making your content more memorable and shareable. I need to work on this myself with Facebook. I'm kind of lacking in that area. Wrapping up. So crafting an effective Facebook content strategy requires a deep understanding of your audience, a commitment to regularly posting engaging content, and leveraging a diverse range of formats like images, videos, and polls. Alongside these strategies, employing Facebook marketing software can streamline your efforts, allowing you to schedule posts, analyze performance metrics, and engage with your audience more effectively or efficiently. By prioritizing quality content and maintaining authenticity, you can establish a strong presence on Facebook, foster meaningful connections with your audience. That's another word that I know only AI uses, foster, and achieve your Facebook marketing strategy. Remember, consistency and adaptation are key to sustaining success in the ever-evolving landscape of social media marketing. All right, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend you subscribe. Check out their blog too. Although I don't really recommend their automation software, they still got a lot of really helpful content on their blog. So I'll have this in the description for your reference. And be sure to take a look at my checklist also, the free social media marketing and automation checklist. It's completely free. All you gotta do is just put your name and your email address in, and I'll send it directly to your inbox. It'll help you to boost engagement as well as automate. And you can have this accompany you as you're going about your automation strategy. And then also I'll have all these videos, how to craft audience specific tailored copy, how to plan, organize, and schedule content, daily action plan for internet marketers, how to strategically plan ads with Meta's Business Suite, as well as how to transform text and images. And I'll also have the copywriting tutorials in the playlist as well. All right. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you.